everybody, it's Carrie with From Seed to Spoon. I'm out here feeding the animals and I thought I would take advantage of the time that I'm with them and shoot a quick video just to let you know about a sale that we are having in our online store. I actually just sent an email out about it this morning. So if you are part of our email list, you probably already know. If you are not part of our email list, make sure to sign up so that way you can get notified whenever we do have sales like this. But for the whole first week of September, we are going to be having a 10% off the entire store. We sell lots of different products in our store. Anything that we have tried in our garden that we love, we put in our store. So that includes like smart pots. I mean, our entire garden is filled with smart pots. If you haven't seen that, I'll put a picture up here or over here, I don't know, wherever. But I'll put a picture in of our garden. But we love smart pots. We were really leery at first whenever we heard about them. But then we started using them and we tried them between raised beds and also with other pots, and they just really outperformed them. So we are really big believers in smart pots. So we have those in our store, as well as seeding squares, which makes square foot gardening easy. We love those. And then just a bunch of different seeding supplies, things to start seeds indoors, also outdoors, all from Bootstrap Farmer. Those are really good, strong products, so we include those also. So make sure to check it out, store.seedtospoon.net, and then whenever you go to check out, enter September 10 in the discount line and it'll give you 10% off the entire order. Every purchase that you make in the store helps us so much. We are a small business and we both have jobs on the side too that we do. So everything helps so much, and every purchase helps us a little bit closer to be doing our dream of doing this full time, of trying to help other people grow food and live sustainably. So please help us out and support our store. Thank you.